The Shenyang J-15, often referred to as the Flying Shark, represents China's first operational carrier-based fighter jet and marks a major step in the nation's growing naval aviation capabilities. Designed by Shenyang Aircraft Corporation, the J-15 was developed to operate from Chinese aircraft carriers and perform a wide range of missions, including air superiority, fleet defense, maritime strike, reconnaissance, and multi-role combat operations. As China expands its blue water navy, the J-15 plays a central role in strengthening its ability to project power beyond its borders and establish a strong naval aviation presence in the Asia-Pacific region. This aircraft is often compared to the Russian Su-33 due to similarities in design, but China's integration of domestic avionics, radar systems, and weapon technologies gives the J-15 its own identity and capabilities. At the core of the J-15's performance is its twin-engine layout, providing the thrust necessary for short takeoff runs from ski-jump carriers such as the Liaoning and the Shandong. Its powerplant allows it to achieve speeds up to Mach 2 and maintain strong performance during high-G maneuvers. The aircraft's aerodynamic structure, featuring folding wings, reinforced landing gear, and strengthened airframe, enables it to withstand the stresses of carrier operations. The folding wing mechanism is essential for maximizing storage space on the carrier deck and inside the aircraft hangar, which is always limited on naval vessels. The strengthened landing gear and tail hook allow it to safely perform arrested landings, one of the most demanding operations in naval aviation. In terms of combat avionics, the J-15 incorporates advanced Chinese technologies, including modern radar systems capable of tracking multiple targets at long distances. Its onboard sensors and targeting systems support a range of modern air-to-air and air-to-ground weapons, giving it flexibility across various mission environments. The aircraft can deploy medium-range air-to-air missiles for interception roles, short-range infrared missiles for dogfighting, and guided bombs and anti-ship missiles for strike missions. This versatility allows the J-15 to serve as both a defensive protector of carrier strike groups and an offensive platform capable of attacking enemy ships, aircraft, and land targets. One of the major advantages of the J-15 is its ability to engage in beyond-visual range combat. Coupled with advanced missiles and radar systems, it can target hostile aircraft before entering close combat scenarios. At the same time, its maneuverability, derived from both its aerodynamic design and engine power, provides strong capability in close-range engagements. This mix of long-range and close combat performance is essential for modern carrier-based fighters, which must adapt to rapidly changing battlefield conditions and unpredictable threats. The J-15 also carries a wide range of Chinese-made precision-guided munitions, allowing it to conduct accurate strikes against naval and ground targets. This includes anti-ship cruise missiles designed to engage enemy fleets and land attack weapons for precision bombing missions. As a multi-role platform, the J-15 gives the Chinese Navy the ability to respond to different operational needs, from defending carrier battle groups to projecting offensive power along coastal regions or in open seas. When discussing the J-15, it is important to consider its operational context. China's first-generation aircraft carriers rely on ski-jump launch systems rather than catapult-assisted takeoff, which places some performance limitations on heavily loaded aircraft. Because of this, the J-15 may take off with reduced fuel or weapon loads depending on mission requirements and launch positions. Despite these limitations, the J-15 still provides China with a capable and credible carrier-based fighter, especially as the country continues to improve carrier operations and pilot training. The aircraft has seen continuous upgrades since its first flight, with newer variants incorporating improved avionics, enhanced cockpit displays, upgraded radars, and more advanced electronic warfare systems. These improvements reflect China's ongoing efforts to refine its carrier aviation capabilities and address early challenges. Later versions of the J-15 are expected to come with improved engines, reduced weight, and additional compatibility with newer carrier systems. These upgrades help maintain the aircraft's relevance as China transitions to more advanced carriers equipped with electromagnetic catapults, which will allow fighters to take off with full loads and achieve greater efficiency. The J-15's role also extends to pilot training and naval aviation development. Carrier-based flight operations require specialized skills, and the J-15 has been essential in training the first generations of Chinese naval aviators. The ability of pilots to perform night landings, coordinated strike missions, and complex carrier maneuvers demonstrates the growing professionalism and capability of China's naval aviation arm. The aircraft serves not only as a weapon system but also as a training foundation for more advanced platforms that will enter service in the future. While the J-15 has faced criticism for certain limitations, including weight and reliance on older takeoff systems, it remains a critical asset for China's naval modernization. It has enabled the country to develop real operational experience in carrier-based air combat, something only a few nations have achieved. As China expands its fleet of carriers and introduces newer aircraft such as the J-35 stealth fighter, the J-15 will continue to serve as a backbone fighter and a vital part of China's maritime power projection. Overall, the Shenyang J-15 Flying Shark stands as a symbol of China's determination to build a strong and modern naval aviation force. Its combination of speed, firepower, adaptability, and carrier compatibility underscores its value to the People's Liberation Army Navy. The aircraft's evolution reflects China's broader ambitions in military technology and its commitment to becoming a major naval power. For aviation enthusiasts and defense observers, the J-15 represents a key milestone in the development of China's carrier strike capabilities and offers insight into the future of its expanding military aviation fleet.